Did you know that traveling can increase your problem-solving skills? Indeed, stepping out of your comfort zone and into new environments and cultures can sharpen your cognitive abilities in surprising ways. Today, we're going to explore the world of travel, not just as a leisure activity, but as a journey that can transform you. We'll be sharing 10 essential tips that will not only make your trip successful but also enriching. So let's dive into these 10 essential tips that will make your traveling experiences more enjoyable and fulfilling. Tip number 1. Always plan ahead. This is the first step towards a successful journey. Dive into some research about your destination, know its culture, its landmarks, its weather. Arm yourself with information. Next, check the forecast. Will you need an umbrella or a beach towel? Finally, prepare your documents. Passports, visas, travel insurance, get them ready. It's like setting the stage before the big show. Remember, a well-planned trip can save you a lot of trouble. Tip number 2. Pack light. This is a game changer. It saves you from lugging around heavy suitcases and paying extra baggage fees. Start by choosing a versatile wardrobe that you can mix and match. Opt for travel-sized toiletries or buy them at your destination. Remember, you don't need to bring everything with you. Often less is more. Embrace the freedom that comes with traveling light. Packing light will not just make your trip easier but also more enjoyable. Tip number 3. Learn some basic local phrases. It's not just about asking for directions or ordering food, it's about connecting with locals. You'll find that people often appreciate the effort and respond with kindness and helpfulness. Plus, it adds a layer of depth to your travel experience that's hard to replicate. Knowing even a few phrases can open doors to conversations, friendships, and insights that you wouldn't otherwise have. It's simple, but profound. Remember, a little language effort goes a long way. Tip number 4, stay flexible. Travel is an adventure, and adventures are full of surprises. Not everything will go as planned, and that's okay. It's part of the journey. Being flexible and adaptable can turn a travel mishap into a memorable story. Missed your bus? Maybe you'll meet a local who'll show you a hidden gem, bad weather, discover indoor attractions you might have overlooked. Remember, the best laid plans often go awry. Traveling is all about embracing the unexpected. Tip number 5, keep your important documents safe. In the thrilling rush of travel, it's easy to overlook the vital role our documents play. Your passport, identification, and tickets are more than just paper and plastic, they are your lifeline in unfamiliar terrain. Misplacing them could lead to unnecessary stress and complications. So, make it a priority to secure these precious items, perhaps in a dedicated travel wallet or a safe compartment in your bag. Remember, your documents are your lifeline when you're away from home. Tip number 6. Don't miss out on the local cuisine. Trying regional dishes isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's an adventure in itself. Each bite offers a window into the traditions, history, and personality of the place you're visiting. Whether it's a street food vendor in a bustling market or a family-owned restaurant tucked away on a quiet street, don't hesitate to indulge. Remember, food is not just sustenance, it's a story. Food is the gateway to a culture's soul. Tip number 7, respect the local culture. When we travel, we're not just visitors but ambassadors of our own culture. It's vital to show respect for the customs and traditions of the places we visit. This means understanding local etiquette, observing dress codes, and participating in local traditions when invited. Remember, your actions reflect not only on you, but on all travelers. Respect breeds respect, and by honoring local culture, we create a positive impact. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Tip number 8, stay hydrated. When we're exploring new environments, especially in warmer climates or when we're particularly active, our bodies can lose water fast. It's crucial to replenish this loss by drinking plenty of fluids. This not only prevents dehydration and its unpleasant side effects like headaches and fatigue, but it also keeps our bodies functioning at their best. Whether you're trekking through a rainforest or meandering through a bustling city, remember, water is your best friend. Staying hydrated is key to feeling good while on the move. Tip number 9. Keep a travel journal. The allure of travel is not just in the sights you see or the places you explore, but in the memories you create. A travel journal serves as a tangible memory vault, where you can record your thoughts, experiences, and insights. It's an invaluable tool to reflect upon later, helping you relive those cherished moments. Plus, it can be a great source of inspiration for future adventures. Remember, a travel journal is the best souvenir you can bring back home. Tip number 10. Enjoy every moment. As we journey through new lands and cultures, it's essential to live in the present. It's easy to get caught up in trying to capture everything through a lens, but sometimes the best memories are the ones stored in our minds, not our devices. Embrace the unexpected. Let the unplanned adventures surprise you. Savor those unplanned detours and chance encounters. Remember, the best moments in travel are often the ones that weren't planned. So, those were the 10 essential tips for successful traveling. Let's quickly recap. First, plan ahead. It eases your journey and helps you avoid last-minute hassles. Second, pack light, because less is more when it comes to travel. Third, learn basic local phrases. It not only helps you navigate but also builds a stronger connection with the locals. Fourth, stay flexible. Travel is full of unexpected adventures, so embrace them. Fifth, keep important documents safe. It's a simple step that can save you from major headaches. Sixth, try local food. It's an essential part of the travel experience. Seventh, respect local culture. Remember, you're a guest in their home. Eighth, stay hydrated. It's easy to forget but crucial for your health. Ninth, keep a travel journal. It helps you preserve memories in a unique way. Lastly, enjoy every moment. After all, that's what travel is all about. Remember these tips next time you plan a trip, and you'll be sure to have an amazing travel experience. And that's a wrap on today's video about successful traveling. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for spending your time with us. Until next time, keep exploring and stay safe.